2018 Mercedes Vito. Coming for a radio change. We come round to the front. As you can see, change it to the Android unit here. Let's see if we go along. We have the ability for Netflix, YouTube, Spotify. We also have CarPlay. We have Spotify through here. We also have Waze. We have Apple Maps, split screen, so you can do music and maps in the same place. Bluetooth and phone streaming to this one as well. See, this is the old unit, and that is now your new one. Much better upgrade.